viewers, welcome to this channel once again. Today we are going to learn another interesting thing from this channel. We are going to try and see how to form pictures into shapes or create pictures into the form of any shapes we like. So before we continue, I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit on the notification button as well, and you can also like and share this video. Now as we begin, let's launch our Photoshop app. Okay, so we'll create a new file, new, so 1200 by 1200 pixels each. Then I'll click on OK. Let me bring it up. So okay, this is okay. So we have so many methods in working out this, but the first method I'm going to use, okay, I'll first insert the shape. So let's say an ellipse tool. We want our shape to be rounded. Okay, this shape, let me make it another color so that you can easily see it. Okay, so this is our shape we have here. Okay, so with this method, after inserting the shape, you place the picture on top of it. So you come to place from here. Okay, then you it has become too big on my screen. I don't like it like that. So you insert one of the pictures. So this is one of my pictures I downloaded and I've inserted it. Okay, now this is very short and simple. Okay, so after inserting this picture, I would like to rasterize before continue. Okay, now after inserting this, I'll right click on it again, and from the options I'll select create clipping mask. You see the idea here. You see that the shape is now in a round form, but you can't leave it just like this because even the face of the individual is not showing. So we can move the picture however we want it. Okay, but leaving it like this is very perfect and very cool. I don't know how you think about it. Okay, now quickly let's move on to the other steps and see how they also work out. So let me group this and hide it. So this is the first one. Right now let's look at the other step. The other step, I would like to bring in the picture first. Okay, so let's say this picture of Rihanna. Sorry, let me move it into the work area. Okay, so this is a picture, right? Then afterwards I'll create the shape. Let me use the same ellipse tool, or let me go with a polygon, an 8-sided polygon. Okay, so I'll bring in the polygon here and increase the size. You can rotate it however you want. Hey man, you can rotate it however you want. I have to make sure I have my picture at exactly where I want it. Okay, so this is how I want it, right? Okay, now I'll control click on it. Okay, then I'll come to this layer and select the layer mask, and you see it has acted upon it, so I can get rid of this shape as well, and I have my picture in the shape I wanted it. Very cool, right? Now let's go through. So the first step, we created it with the creating of what the clipping mask, and with the clipping mask, any time you want to move your image, you can easily move it. But with the layer mask, okay, after you finish inserting it, you cannot move the picture again. The picture is static. Okay, it's like you cut out the picture. Now let's look at one other step, the last step, and with that step is exactly like the layer mask method. Okay, with that one too, I'll open my work in a new layer. Okay, so let's say this layer, and I will use the marquee tool for this. We have the rectangular marquee and the elliptical marquee tool. Okay, I'll select any of them here. So let's say the elliptical, I select it and draw it. Okay, I can position it wherever I want it. Okay, then I'll use the move tool. I come to it. You see, I can move it out of it and I can bring it to my work area. And with this, as well as I said, it's just like the layer mask tool. You cannot move the image out of the circle again. The image is for static. So with all this approach, my favorite is the layer mask approach, because I can be able to move my image or even increase the size however you want. You can also tell me the one that you think you like best in the comment section. If you also like the clipping mask approach, you give me a thumbs up in the comment section so that I know the fans of the clipping mask method out there. Okay, so this is just a short video. I'll end here today. God willing, next time we meet, we'll look at so much more, and as we are going, we'll be increasing and improving on our talent, our God-given talent. That's graphic designing. And learning graphic design is a God-given talent. I tell you, I didn't learn it from anyone. I learned it on my own, and I've been able to produce whatever I want with it. And you can also do the same from the house. Just subscribe to this channel and follow us to every video we bring out there, and you can be able to work with us anytime. Thank you once again, and goodbye.